maybe I just need to be super clear and be like, we will go with the plan where this is ranged soaking. So if you're on the far side, you are soaking. But I'm pretty sure I did say that after I said original. But I can double check and maybe make that clear.
Just use clear, simple terms like telling people where to jump.
Alright.
I don't even know what he said.
Far folks, get ready to jump over to the other side.
Collect.
You keep aiming that at the air.
I hope the spiral blade is helping people.
I think it is.
1.
It's helping me at least.
2. 3. 4. 5.
Much better on that first Mystic case. Yeah, what's going on the other side?
Where's Colonel? He's too far away.
It's
They keep trying, but like.
an IQD still hasn't dropped. I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Wins.
Alright, here comes Rocks.
One.
Damage.
If you use the extraction but there's no
2.
add, I think it actually doesn't do anything. Like Ryder,
Really?
I think you just threw 2 rocks at nothing.
3.
Oh shit. I'm sorry.
Yeah, 4.
You can throw a rock and nothing.
Yeah, you have to actually throw it at the beam. I think maybe that's what happened to the range side.
Oh,
I think
no!
people are
Boss.
picking up rocks and just throwing them away. Like you need to go to where one of the beams are.
I'm sorry.
And it takes half a second, so it is possible to double throw on the same end.
Yeah.
Yeah, another rock, but it's not there.
Or their health potion on pole and shit.
What is happening over there on the other side?
We're throwing rocks into the abyss.
You're actually throwing into the abyss.
I'm sorry, it's my fault.
No, you're good. You're fine. It's not just you. I've seen it a couple of times, and I thought maybe it was like something with the animation. And
I misunderstood the whole.
Mystics up.
That over there, that's called Prague over there, Val.
Yeah.
Wins.
Single target over here, boys. Nice job.
See, Kitty Rock. Run,
Collect.
Kitty, run.
Watch the bosses coming here.
Alright, what do I do with this rock?
Oh, get that. Yeah, I think.
Oh,
Yeah,
dude.
dude.
Fucking throw it. Oh my god, Pat.
Just fucking
Run up, Pat. Panda.
Chuck it.
Okay, I also see that if you're near too close to like a point, even though the freaking rock decided to go to the wrong one, I missed a rock and I'm sad.
Did you like overthrow it?
Sure you finish this Mystic?
No, it grew short.
Wins.
Hey, tag that one. It's tagged.
Healers just
Targeted.
keep an eye on Hilly. He had to get up for an emergency.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah. Just think so.
I got.
1.
I got him. I got him.
2.
Did it. Congratulations.
Memory.
3.
Memory is playing.
Watch it. Oh, sorry.
Hey, get that one in the spot.
New
4.
rocks is spawning on the range side.
Billy is dead
Boss.
as fuck here.
I think. Yo, he's alive.
My fucking.
Regrowth?
He's running in place.
Script into a corner or something.
You can't. It's unpardonable.
Rest in peace, Hilly.
Collect.
Yeah, ranged. How does this feel now that?
Oh, this feels so good. I'm not gonna lie, I was turning around and trying to figure out where the other ones are coming from.
Yeah.
Wins.
New Mystic.
I mistake, man.
I went melee at the frog down.
I'm sorry.
No. You're fine. It wasn't just you. It was so.
Collect.
It was just overlapped with me noticing.
You should feel bad.
Fixate.
Don't listen to that dude.
Literally, out with new rocks here on the other side.
Should we finish off this Mystic, please?
Let the guilt wash over the rider.
So, Silent, you're going in your one.
Yes.
Wins. One.
39. Okay.
Yeah, 39% exactly.
2. Fixate. Targeted.
Get that far one.
3.
4.
Achilles just
Coming over to
vibing.
yours.
I'm coming up.
Help me, step down.
Boss.
There's a
Stuck
rocket
in the
across the screen.
dryer.
There's 3 ads in a rocket.
Fixate.
Thank you.
Good group, Kevin.
How long can you hold the rocks for? Is that Hilly back?
I still have mine. I like
They
picked
have
up like
like
a
an
minute
8
ago.
minute.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's 8 minutes. I wonder if
Pick
there's
select.
a tech like where we pick up a shitload of rocks and then like we just use them all right before the push just to grabs. There's a bunch of rocks on the other side.
You missed the range side.
He's gonna jump.
Wins. Fixate.
I have a Mystic here.
Yo, Hilly, you back?
Yeah.
Nice, welcome back.
There was nothing to do
Fixate
on my side when I
left.
got back.
That's been this whole
You have to tell me when to go to the middle.
Or maybe health stone or health push or one you're missing. Right or 2.
like now.
Fixate.
Right?
Yeah, 25-5, yeah.
Yeah, just go.
Yeah, go now.
Oh, that's
About to go. Yep.
Oh, birds are evading.
Yeah, just drag all these into the mid and then finish off these ads.
Just make sure we get kicks on Mystic.
Blazing Spear's out. Remember, this is ranged first. Ranged first. And it'll be Astral, your Darkness, Oreo, your SLT. Present Spread.
Spread.
Present Rally.
In.
And then you're all in this range. This is 1-3. Much better.
Fixate.
Bread.
Spread. In.
This is 2-4. Everybody who didn't go the first time. This is Barrier, Mad Caddy.
Oh, we did it, boys.
Why is it so goddamn hectic? Holy
Spread.
shit.
Melee has nothing.
I literally
Oh my
DC'd and I came
God.
back to nothing to do, man.
Yo,
What in the
that
fuck
random?
is that?
Dude, I feel like I was gonna die all the time. I don't know how Hilly didn't die.
You felt like you were gonna die all the time. Holy
Dude,
shit.
I was gonna die by everything.